Jai Hind, my dear students. Transposition method. Any term of an equation may be taken from one side to the other with a change in its sign. This change does not affect the equality of the statement. This process is called transposition. Okay, listen exercise 4.3 questions. Solve the following equation. First question is 2y plus 5 by 2 equal to 37 by 2. Listen, this is a simple equation in variable y. Then we want to find out the solution. That means solve the following of equation means to find the solution of this equation. So to find the solution of the equation is the value of the variable y satisfying this equation. So first step is transpose positive 5 by 2 from LHS left hand side to RHS. So we transposing positive numbers left hand side to right hand side. The sign is reversed. Positive is changed into negative. Okay. Then negative numbers transposing to right side, change the sign positive. Then multiplication, left hand side multiplication transpose into right hand side, change into division. Division left hand side transpose into right hand side, change into positive. Same as if we transpose any number right hand side to left hand side, multiplication change into division, division change into multiplication, addition change into subtraction, subtraction change into addition. Here we transposing positive 5 by 2 from LHS to RHS. So that become minus 5 by 2. Okay. This positive 5 by 2 transpose into right side. Then we get 2y equal to, solving this, here two fractions 37 by 2 minus 5 by 2. So denominator same, subtracting the numerator 37 minus 5 is 32 by 2. So we get 2y equal to 32 by 2. 32 by 2 is 32 divided by 2 is 16. Okay. Then we want to find out the value y. Okay. So here 2 into y. We want only y. 2 into. So into 2 into. This into calculation transpose into right side. Yes, change into division. So take 2 LHS, from LHS to RHS, dividing by 2. Okay. 2 here into. So to change into, to transpose into right side, that 2 is changed into division, divided by 2. Clear all of you? Multiplication transpose into right side, to change into division. So we get y equal to 16 divided by 2. Yes, 8 2s are 16. Y equal to 8. This is the solution of this equation. To check this y equal to 8 is the correct answer. To verify this, to substitute y equal to verification or check. Okay. Verification, listen the verification. To know this answer is true or wrong. Verification, substitute y equal to in the place 2y plus 5 by 2. So 2 in y plus 5 by 2 equal to 37 by 2. This is our equation. Then substitute y equal to 8. So now we get 2y means 2 into y. So 2 into y is here 8. So 2 into 8 plus 5 by 2 equal 37 by 2. 2 into 8 is 16. 16 plus 5 by 2. Do this left side calculation. This is the LHS portion. Left hand side. Do the left hand side first. So doing this 16 plus 5 by 2. Using cross multiplication, 16 by 1, using cross multiplication, 16 into 2, 32 plus 5 into 1, 5 by 2, we get 37 by 2. Same as this is the left side answer, 37 by 2. See the right side also 37, RHS portion also 37 by 2. So we get the left side and the right side answer is same. That means our solution y equal to 8 is the correct solution of this equation. Okay. Listen the second question. 5t plus 28 equal to 10. To solve, that means to find the solution of this equation, that means the value satisfying t, this equation, take this left side 28, positive 28, transpose from right side. So we get 5t equal 10 is here. Then take this positive 28, transpose into right side, change into sign, that become minus 28. Positive transpose, positive numbers transpose into right side, the change the sign is negative. Okay, so then do the calculation. 5t equal to 10 minus 28. So subtract smaller from the biggest, then put biggest number sign, we get yes minus 18. Then we can take as t equal to 5t means 5 into t. So here into calculation, left side into calculation, right side is division. So t equal to minus 18 by 5. Okay. To know this solution is correct or wrong, you can verify. Verification, listen. Substitute. Here the equation is 5t plus 28 equal to 10. Substitute in the place x equal to, t equal to minus 18 by 5 plus 28. Find out the left side LHS value. LHS left hand side value. We can cancel this 5 and 5 into 5 divided 5. We can cancel. Then here minus 18 plus 28, we get the answer equal to 10. That also LHS, RHS side, RHS also 10. Okay, that means left side and right side answer same. That means this value means minus 18 by 5 is the solution of 5t plus 28 equal to 10. Okay. Listen the next question. Third question. Listen. A by 5 plus 3 equal to 2. So here question is a by 5 plus 3 equal to 2. Okay. So first step is take the positive 3 where right hand side, RHS part. So positive 3 change into negative 3. Now we can do the calculation. A by 5 equal to 2 minus 3. So we get the answer equal to yes, minus 1. Then we want to the value of A. See here 5. That means that divided, A divided by 5. So division transpose into right side change into division, right side transpose into yes, multiplication. So multiply this 5. Okay, right side. So we get A equal to minus 1 into 5 equal to minus 1 into 5 is minus 5. Okay. Then you for verification, listen verification. Take the left hand side LHS portion. Here the LHS portion is A by 5 plus 3. So A by 5 is here, A is negative 5 by 5 plus 3. Cancel negative 5 and positive 5. We get there 1, negative 1. Negative 1. Negative 1 plus 3. What is negative 1 plus 3? Yes, positive 2. That also. That is same as the RHS. So A equal to minus 5 is the solution of correct solution of this equation. Okay. And the next question. Minus 4. It's the question number 10. Minus 4 into 2 plus x equal 8. So first you take minus 4 into right side, into calculation right side change into division, multiplication change into division. So divided by 8 divided by minus 4. So we get 2x, 2 plus x equal to 8 divided by minus 4 is minus 2. Then transpose this positive to right side. We get x equal to negative 2 is right side here. Then take this positive to right side, that become yes, positive change into negative, negative 2. So we get x equal to negative 4. Negative 2 plus negative 2 is negative 4. Okay. Listen the 11th question. 3 into n minus 5 equal to minus 21. So 3 into take where right side into calculation right side division. So we get minus 21 divided by 3. Now do the calculation of right side. Negative 21 divided by 3 is negative 7. 21 by 3 negative 7. Negative divided by positive negative. Then find the value of n. Minus 7 is here in the right side. Then take this minus 5 is right side change into positive 5. So we get n equal to positive 7 plus 5 is negative 2. Okay. One more question, listen. Question number 12. 4 into 2 minus 6 equal to 8. 4 into 2 minus 6. So 2 minus 6 equal into 4 into calculation transpose into right side division. Okay, 4 into here division. So we get 2 minus 6 equal to 4 divided by 2. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Okay. Then minus 6 equal to, take this positive 2 right side change into negative 2. So we get minus 6 equal to 0. minus x equal to 0 means x equal to minus 0. But 0 is neither positive nor negative. So answer is x equal to 0. Okay? Understood all of you? The next question. Question number 7 is 2 into x plus 4 equal to 12. Okay? This read as 2 into x plus 4 equal to 12. So, is an equation contain equal sign in variable x. So, 2 into number transpose into right side, change the into is change into division. So, we get x plus 4 equal to 12. 2 is into 2 divided by 2. So, we get x plus 4 equal to 12 divided by 2 is 6. Then take that positive 4 on right side, transpose the 4 into right side, change the sign, positive 4 change into yes negative 4. So, answer is x equal to 2. Okay. Then listen the question number 8. 3 into n minus 5 equal to 21. So 3 into, so that into calculation transpose into right side division, 21 divided by yes, divided by into division 21 divided by 3. So we get n minus 5 equal to 21 divided by 3 is 7. So then transpose to find the value of n, transpose is negative 5 right side. So negative 5 change into yes, positive 5. So we get n equal to 7 plus 5, 12. Okay. Then listen the 9th question. 3 minus 2 into 2 minus y equal to 7. So here 3 minus 2 into 2 minus y equal to 7. This is an equation in variable y. So to find the value of y, first take this 3 on right side. Say positive 3 change into negative 3. So we get minus 2. Here remaining minus 2 into 2 minus y equals 7. 3 is positive 3 change into negative 3. Okay. Now we get minus 2 into 2 minus y equal to 4. Then 2 minus y equal, take this minus 2 into, so take this minus 2 into calculation, right side change into division. So minus 4 divided by, 4 divided by minus 2. Now we get 2 minus y equal to 4 by minus 2. How many times 2 in 4? 2 times. Okay, 2 2s are 4. So we get minus 2. Positive divided by negative, negative 2. So negative y equal to negative 2. Take this positive 2 right side, that become negative 2. So we get negative y equal to negative 4. Y equal to, dividing both sides by this negative, we get y equal to 4. Negative y equal to negative 4. Then dividing both sides by negative side. Dividing both sides by negative sign, we get negative divided by negative, positive y equal to negative 4 divided by negative positive 4. Okay, y equal to 4 is the solution of the equation. Okay, listen the fourth question. Q by 4 plus 7 equal to 5. Q by 4 plus 7 equal to 5. So this is a equation variable Q. So we want to the value of variable Q. So take this positive 7 right side. So Q by 4 equal to 5 is here. Take the positive 7, transpose into positive 7, right side change into negative 7. Then do the calculation right side. 5 minus 7, 5 minus 7 we get minus 2. Then to find value Q, here 1 divided by 4 is here. Divided by 4 transpose into right side. Change into what? Yes, multiplication. So Q is equal to minus 2 into 4. So equal to answer is minus 8. Okay, clear? So Q equal to minus 8 is the solution. Listen to the fifth question. 5 by 2 x equal 5 by 2 x equal minus 5. So here 5 by 2 means divided by 2. First that take this divided by 2 transpose into right side. Division change into yes multiplication. So 5x equal to minus 5 divided by 2 is change into multiplication 2. Multiply 2. So then find the value of x. Here 5 into. So this 5 into transpose into right side change into division. So we get minus 5 into 2 divided by yes this 5. Okay, into 5. Now cancellation is possible. Positive 5 this negative 5 cancel. We get the numerator is here negative 1. So negative 1 into 2 x equal negative 1 into 2. We get negative 1 into 2 is s negative 2. Okay, then listen. Sixth question number 6. 7m plus 19 by 2 equal to 13. So this is a simple equation, variable m. So we want to find out, to solve means to find the solution of m. First take 19 by 2, positive 19 by 2 transpose into right side. So we get 7m equal to 13 is here, no change. Okay, 13 is right side. Then take this 19 by 2 right side, change into the sign negative 19 by 2. So 7m equal to the right side calculation. This cross multiplication is easy. 13 by 1 multiply 13 into 2 26 minus 1 into 19 19 by 2. So we get 7m equal to 26 minus 90. Yes, 7 by 2. 7m equal to 7 by 2. So m equal to, take this into 7 here, division 7 by 2 into 1 by 7 means here 7 by 1. So that change into here 1 by 7. 1 is divided by 1 is into 1 into 7 is division 1 by 7. So we can cancel 7 and this 7. We get m equal to 1 by 2. That is the solution of this equation. Okay. Listen exercise 4.4. Set up equation and solve them to find the unknown numbers in the following cases. First question. The sum of 3 times a number and 11 is 32. So this is the statement form. We write the equation. The sum of 3 times a number. We don't know which number is 3 times is 11 and 11 is 32. So let the number take us. Let the number is take us x. Okay. 3 times the number x. 3 times the number x means 3 into x. 3x. And 11. The sum of 3 times a number. 3 times a number 3x. And 11. So sum plus and 11 is means equal to 32. So equation is 3x plus 11 equal to 32. 3 times meaning is 3 into x, a number x, sum plus and 11 equal 32. Then we want to find out the number, unknown number, that x. So solving this, transpose this positive 11. First take us this positive 11 right side. So 3x equal to 32 is in right side. Then take this positive, transpose the positive 11 into right side, change into negative 11. So we get 3x equal to 32 minus 11 is 21. Then 3 into, so that 3 is take us right side, into calculation is change into division, divided by 3. So we get 7. That unknown number x equal to 7. Check this answer is correct. To verify, substitute in the place. The equation is 3x plus 11 equal to 32. Take the LHS portion. LHS is 3x plus 11. Substitute x equal to 7 plus 11. Okay. 3 into 7, 21 plus 11 is 32. RHS equal to same as 32. We get the left side answer and the right side answers are same. So x equal to 7 is the correct solution of this equation. Okay. Understood all of you? Listen the next question. Munna subtracts thrice the number of notebooks he has from 50. He finds the result to be 8. So Munna subtract thrice the number of notebook. So take us, let the number of notebooks Munna has x. Okay. Then on subtracting thrice the number of notebooks from 50, he gets 8. So equation become trace the number of notebook he has from 50. Subtract, trace the number. So trace the number we get 3 into x. Subtract from 50. So we get the equation is subtract from 50. So 50 minus 3x equal to 8. Okay. Subtract, trace the number of notebook he has from 50. So on subtracting, trace the number of notebooks from 50. We get the equation 50 minus 3x. Total, he has 50 books. Trace the number, subtract, we get equal to 8. Then on transposing 50 right side, we get minus 3x equal to 8. Yes, minus 52. 8 minus positive 52 change into minus 52. So, minus 3x equal to, doing right side calculation, 8 minus, 50, here 50. 8 minus 50, okay. 8 minus 50, doing calculation, we get minus 42, okay. So, minus 3x equal to minus 42, minus 3x means minus 3 into x. So, take that into calculation minus 3, transpose into right side, we get divided by negative 3. So, the answer is negative divided by negative, positive, cancel 42 divided by 3, we get how many times? 1 times 3, 1 balance here, 3 fours are 12, so 4 3s are 12, so we get 14, okay. Yes, so answer is 14, x equal to 14. So the required number of notebooks are 14. Okay. Therefore, a required number of notebooks are 14. So to verify this, this answer is correct or wrong. You can verify, substitute in the place. Left hand side is 50 minus 3x. Substitute x equal to 14. So we get 50 minus 3 into 14 is 42. Equal to 8, that is also RHS also 8, so correct answer is 14. Okay, listen the question. Ibn Hawal thinks of a number, if she adds 19 to it and divide the sum by 5, she will get 8. Okay, Ibn thinks of a number. So, we don't know which number she thinks. So, take that number B, the required number B, x. So, let the number be, number B, x. Okay. Then, if we add 19 to it, so x is the number. If we add 19 to it, she add 19 to it. So we get x plus 19. And divide the sum. This is a sum. Okay. Divide this sum by 5. Divided by 5. She will get 8. Okay. This is the equation. See, to solve this equation, here divided by 5. The divided 5 transpose into right side, yes, change into multiplication. So we get x plus 19 equal 8 into 5. Do the right side calculation. X plus 19 equal 8 into 5 is 40. Then x equal to, yes, 19 transpose into right side. 19 change into negative 19. Positive 19 change into negative 19. So x equal to 14 minus 19. Yes, 21. So she thinks the number be 21. So to check this answer is correct. Substitute x. Our equation is x plus 19 by 5 is the left side. Okay. Substitute x equal to 21. 21 plus 19 by 5. That is 40 by 5 equal to 8. That 8 is equal to RHS. So this answer is correct. Okay. So Ekban thinks number is 21. Okay. Understood all of you? Listen the next question. Anwar thinks of a number. If he take away 7 from 5 by 2 of the number, the result is 23. So let the number be, yes, x. Okay, x. Then if he take away 7 from 5 by 2 of the number, 5 by 2 of the number means of means into. So 5 by 2 of the number, 5 by 2 x. Subtract 7. Okay, if he takes, take means subtract. So subtract 7 from 5 by 2 of the number. 5 by 2 into of the number x minus 7 equal to result is 23. So the equation is 5 by 2 x minus 7 equal 23. Then solving, Anwar thinks the number x. 5 by 2 x equal 23 is here. Take minus 7 on right side. So change into positive 7. Get 5 by 2 x equal to 27 plus 7, 23 plus 7 is 30. Then listen this step. 5 by 2 x equal to 30. Here divided by 2 is here. Divided by 2 transpose into right side. Yes. Multiply by 2. So 30 into 2. Then listen, 1 into 5 into 5 is here. That into is changed into right side division. Okay, divided by 5. Then using cancellation, 5 and 30, 6 5s are 30. 6 into 5, 2 is 12. So Anwar thinks the number is 12. Okay. Then to check or verify this answer is correct or not, substitute the LHS portion. LHS is 5 by 2 x minus 7. So x is here, yes, 12. Substitute 12 minus 7. Cancel 2 and 12 6 times. 5 into 6, 30 minus 7 equal 23. So right side RHS also 23. So 12 is the number Anwar thinks. Okay. Okay, listen the next question. The teacher tells the class that the highest mark obtained by the student in her class is twice the lowest mark plus 7. The highest score is 87. What is the lowest score? So we can take as the lowest score be, the lowest score is, we don't know, that be x. or L, lowest score. Take as L. Okay, L be the lowest score. The highest score mark is 87. That highest score mark 87 is equal to the twice of the lowest mark plus 7. So, twice of the lowest mark 2 into L. That is twice the lowest mark. Lowest mark is here L, so 2L. Plus 7 is equal to the highest score 87. Okay. Twice the highest score 87 is equal to twice the lowest mark plus 7. Then find out the lowest mark. 2L equal to 87. Positive 7 transpose into right side, negative 7. So 2L equal to right side, right hand side we get 87 minus 7, 80. So L equal to 82 into L. So into 2 right side transpose into divided. So L equal to 40. That means lowest score equal to 40. To verify this, substitute. Left hand side is here 2L plus 7. So 2 into 40. L is 40 plus 7. So 2 into 40, 80 plus 7, 87. That's equal to the RHS. RHS equal to 87. Okay. So LHS equal to RHS. So this is the correct answer. Lowest mark equal to 40. Okay. In an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal. We know the isosceles triangle as two sides are equal and base angles are equal. These are the two sides equal. So base angle take us. Equal base angle take us x degree and x degree. The vertex angle is 40 degree. Vertex angle is here. Yes, here 40 degree. What are the base angle of the triangle? Okay, base angle we take as x. So the base angle, let the base angle be x degree. Okay. Then we know sum of the all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So x plus 40 degree equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? Sum of all angles of the triangle is 180 degree. Okay. So x plus x is 2x. X plus x, 2x plus 40 degree equal to 180 degree. Then to find the base angle x. So take transpose 40 degree to right side, we get negative 40 degree. So 2x equal 180 degree minus 40, yes, 140 degree. So x equal to 2 into x. So take into 2 here division. So we get 70 degree. Base angle be 70 degree. Okay. Listen the verification. LHS portion is 2x plus 40 degree. 2 into 70 degree plus 40. First to do this. 2 into 70 is 140 degree plus 40 degree. How much? 180 degree. So RHS is also 180 degree. So base angle equal to 70 degree. Okay, understood all of you? Listen this question. Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. Together their runs fell too short a double century. Listen, century means 100. So double century means double century, double times, 2 times. So 100 plus 100, 200, 200 runs. Okay, century means 100, double century means 100 double times, 2 times, so 200. Okay, so here question, listen. How many runs did each one score? Take the run scored by Rahul B. Let runs scored by Rahul B X. Therefore, Rahul X. Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. So Sachin's score is equal to twice, means 2 into X. Then together their runs. Together means adding these 2 runs fell into 2 short of the double century. Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. Together their runs fell into 2 short of the double century. So together runs is X plus 2X equal to 2 short of the double century fell down. So double century 200, 2 short fell down minus 2. Okay, so get X plus 2X, X plus 2X, 3X equal to 198. So X equal to 198, 3 into X. So here division, divided by 3. Okay, cancellation. 6 3s are 18, 1 balance again, 6 3s are 18, 66 runs. To check this answer is correct or not, so take the left side, LHS is 3 into X equal to, this is the final equation, okay. 3 into X is 66, we get 6 3s are 18, 1 balance, 6 3s are 18 plus 1, 198. That is equal to the RHS. Okay, 198. Left side and right sides are equal. So, here Sachin's score equal to Rahul, X equal to 66. That is the Rahul score. Rahul score equal to 66. Sachin score equal to 2 into X. Here X is 66. So the equal to 132. Okay. 66 into 2. 132. Okay, listen this question. Raju's father age is 5 years more than 3 times Raju's age. So, take the Raju's age be X years. Okay, X years. Then Raju's father age is 5 years more than 3 times Raju's age. So father age is 3 times Raju's age, 3x. 5 years more plus 4. That's age equal. Raju's father age equal 44. So 3x plus 5 equal to 44. Okay, understood all of you? Raju's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Raju's age. Let the Raju's age be X years. Father age is 3 times 3x Raju's age more than 5 plus 5. When solving this equation, transpose the positive 5 right side, that's change into negative 5. So 3x equal to 44 minus 5 is 39. Then 3 into x equal to 49. So x equal to into right side transpose into division divided by 3. So x equal to by cancellation 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9, 13. So x equal to 13 years. 13 years means whose age is Raju's age is equal to 13 years. Okay. Verification. Take the left side. 3x plus 5 is an left side of the equation equal 3 into 13 plus 5. 3 into 13, 39 plus 5 equal to 44. So here RHS equal to 44. So left side, right side equal. So 13 years as Raju's age. Okay students, we have finished this chapter. I hope all of you understood all the problem related to this chapter. If you have any doubt, please refer to me. Write the relevant points and exercise questions in the notebooks. Thank you.